Okay, so the set is toll rates. Question is, the table given below shows the amount to be paid by different type of vehicles to cross the Agra toll plaza. And the bar graph given below shows the percentage breaker of the type of vehicles that cross the Agra toll plaza on particular Sunday. The amount was collected through FASTag, but if the vehicles did not have FASTag, double of the actual amount was charged. So, like very practical set, हम day to day life में भी ऐसा ही होता है. So the charges are given. So for two wheeler, the toll charges are 205 rupees. For car, jeep or van category, the charges are 415 rupees. For light commercial vehicle, it is 635 rupees, and so on. And this is the percentage breakup of the vehicle. Now, suppose there were 100 vehicles. So out of 100 vehicles, 10% were 7 plus XL vehicles, 18% were multi XL vehicle, and so on. तो ये ब्रेकअप दे रखा है नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स का एंड चार्जेस जो पर व्हीकल आपके लगते हैं वो दे रखा है. Now let us move to question part. So these are the question given to us. Now I would request all of you to pause the video over here. एक बार आप ये सेट ट्राई करें. This is the data part and this is the question part. एक बार इसको ट्राई करें खुद कितनी देर में कर पा रहे हैं ना. Then move to the solution part. Okay, so let's continue with the solution part. I hope आपने एक बार try कर लिया होगा ये set. So the first question is the amount collected from multi-axle vehicle at Agra toll plaza. So multi-axle vehicle at Agra toll plaza. So 18%. Now let us assume the total number of vehicles to be 100 only. So out of these 100 vehicles, 18 were multi-axle vehicle and the charges were 1970 rupees. So that makes it 35,460 rupees. And by 7 plus XL vehicle is 10 vehicles, 10% of 100 is 10 only, and the charge per vehicle was 22,050 rupees. So that makes it 22,500 rupees. So the total difference comes out to be 12,960 rupees. And this difference was what percent? So this basically we need to find what percent more or less this difference was. So the best value is 22,500 only. Now we need to multiply it by 100 to find it in percentage terms. So when we calculate this, you will get 57.6% is the answer, right? So the correct answer is option B. Move to second part. If 2% and 10% of the number of buses and trucks and 7 plus XL vehicle respectively crossing the toll plaza did not have FASTag on Sunday, and the amount collected in cash from these bus trucks were this rupee, then how much extra amount was collected in cash from 7 plus XL vehicle? Now, first of all, let us focus on bus and truck. So 2%. 2%. Now again, let us assume the total number of vehicles to be 100 only. So 2% of 25 vehicles is 25, right? 2500x ले लेते हैं. So let it be 25x. आप number of vehicles को 25x भी assume कर लें, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें. ठीक है. इनसे कितना चार्जेस लिया गया? The charges are 1295 rupees and we need to multiply this by 2. Why? Because cash में पे करने पे you need to pay double the amount and this is given to be 6475 rupees. Now if we calculate this cancel out in 5 times. So 5 so again 5 times में. So x from here comes out to be 100 upon 20, which is 5. So total we can say 500 vehicles were there on Sunday. 500 vehicles cross Yamuna Express Highway. Then we need to check this value for the extra cash received by 7 plus XL vehicle. So 7 plus XL vehicle were 10%. So 500 का 10% is 50 vehicles और उन 50 vehicles में से 10% ने एक्स्ट्रा पे किया है. तो 10% is 5 vehicles. इन्होंने कितना पे किया होगा? 2250 rupees into 2. ये इन्होंने पे किया होगा. बट हमें पूछा गया था एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट कितना पे किया है. तो एक्स्ट्रा इज 2250 ओनली. इन्हें डबल पे करना पड़ रहा है बट एक्स्ट्रा कितना पे किया? दैट इज 2250 ओनली. सो इफ वी कैलकुलेट दिस आउट, so this is 5 into 2250, that is 11250. So option C is the correct one. Third question, which of the following is correct order of total amount collected from different categories of vehicles crossing Agra toll plaza on Sunday? All the vehicles were FASTag enabled. So let us do a rough calculation over here. So this 205 into 15 is how much? 3075. Now this 415 into 20 is 8300. Right? I'm assuming the number of vehicles to be 100. Right? So this we have 15 two-wheelers, 20 car, jeep, and so on. Now 12 into 635, that's 7200 plus 420 is 7620. Now let us do some rough calculation. So this is approximately 1300 into 25%. So that will make it somewhere around 32,000, 33,000 ka value. Multi-axle vehicle is approximately 2000 into 18. So that will be somewhere around 35,000 something. And 7 plus is 22,500. So we need to find the order. So in order we can simply check that multi-axle vehicle are the ones paying the highest number of toll, followed by bus and truck, further followed by 7 plus axle vehicle. Then we have car, jeep, then we have LCV, and then last two-wheelers. So if we check for the order, LCV, car, jeep, two-wheelers. So we have LCV, car, jeep, two-wheelers. ये गलत order है. Bus, truck, then LCV, then car, jeep. No, car, jeep पहले आएगा LCV से. This is also wrong. 7 plus, then multi-axle. No, 7 plus will be followed by multi-axle. ये भी wrong है. Finally, answer यही correct होना है. Let us check for this also. Multi-axle vehicle, yes. Then we have bus, truck, and then 7x. So this is the correct order, right? And last question. So just a second. So last question is the ratio of number of buses and trucks that cross the Agra toll plaza on Sunday was 2:3. So out of this bus truck category, so let us assume the total number of vehicles to be 100x again. So bus truck category, the total number of vehicles in this category is 25x. Out of this 25x, the ratio of bus to truck is 2:3. That makes it 10x buses and 15x trucks. ये हमने कर लिया यहाँ तक. And the difference between the amount collected from trucks and multi-axle vehicle. Now the amount collected from trucks is 15x and the amount collected per truck is 1295 rupees. And from multi-axle vehicle is 18x. And the amount is 1970 rupees. And this difference was 128280. Right. So when you will solve this, you will get the value of x to be 8. On solving this, you will get the value of x to be 8. So total number of vehicles are 800. हमें पता चल गया. Further, the question is if 15% of the number of car jeeps when crossing the toll plaza did not have FASTag. So first of all, how many car jeeps when do we have? That is 20x. 20x is 20 into 8. That is 160. And iska 15% are not FASTag enabled. So that makes it 24. So what was the number of these car jeeps? So answer is 24 only. So ये सेट काफी इजी कैटेगरी था. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन पार्ट था, वो भी अप्रोक्सीमेशन से अपन कर सकते थे. सो आई होप ये आपको अच्छे से क्लियर होगा. थैंक यू.